Portage River. When, from this morning to just after midnight tonight. Impacts at 0 feet. The river inundates lower portions of Trail Marker Park and is out of banks in Pemberville. Additional details, at 4:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Friday the stage was 8.7 feet. Bankable stage is 9.0 feet. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage late this morning to a crest of 9.1 feet this afternoon. It will then fall below flood stage late this evening. Flood stage is 9.0 feet. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 9.1 feet on April 24, 1977. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood